What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another Jumanji Drew automotive / production. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to repair sidewall damage that has been done to your tire. Also, a quick disclaimer, as I showed at the beginning of this video, do this at your own risk. What worked for me may not work for everybody, so it's a situation by situation thing that you guys should do. It's like if your tire looks like it's severely damaged, or also if you have an area where the tire has been damaged and is starting to bubble, at that point you should definitely get a new tire. So this is just for minor damage or minor punctures that have been done to the sidewall of the tire. So I'm gonna kind of show you guys what it is that you need to do, because for me this has worked. This repair has worked because previously, if you guys can see right here, somebody stabbed my tire, and this was over a year and a half ago. And the thing is, if I were to take that out, air would start coming out. But I remember when that originally happened, I would constantly, every 2 days have to put more air in my tires, or put more air in this specific tire, because of the hole, because of somebody tried to stab my tire and they left the tip of the blade inside the tire. So for that reason, if I were to take it out, air would start leaking out, and the repair would be that much harder to do. And at that point, I went to numerous gas stations, and they pretty much told me, when it comes to sidewall damage to the tires, you're not able to repair it. So I just went ahead and I looked up some stuff, and I found something that worked for me. And my tire has been like this for over a year now, year and a half to be exact, and it's been totally fine. Also, there's this other, they try to cut into my tire, if you can see there. So yeah, they try to cut into my tire. So pretty much what I did to repair my sidewall damage, because most gas stations or body shops, they won't repair the tire if they see sidewall damage. They're just pretty much going to tell you that you're going to need a new tire. So pretty much what I did, and what you guys are going to need, is you're going to need this slime tire sealant. You can buy this at Advanced Auto, Pep Boys. I have gotten this from Walmart, so you guys can also get it from Walmart. Also, you're going to need rubber cement. Okay, so pretty much what you're going to do is, if you guys have a personal pump that you guys can use at your home, but if not, and you're losing a lot of air from the tire, I would recommend just going to a gas station, having a spare for the meantime. And what you're going to do is, if the tire can be off the car for the meantime before you get to the place where you're going to put air in it, I would recommend, and how this kind of works, the green slime, if nobody has used this before or you guys aren't familiar with this, what you do is, it has this tool at the very top. You just take it off, and you take this little tool off, and what you do is you take off the little nozzle, that little cap, the tire cap, and what you do is you just use this end, the back end of it, and you just take all the air out of the tire. After you do that and the air is completely out of the tire, what you do next is, there's this little tube here. You put that on the end of it, and after that you just squeeze everything. You empty out the entire container. I would recommend just using the entire container, because that's what I did. You take out everything, and then at that point it's up to you if you guys want to take out I guess whatever has punctured your tire, or whatever is causing the tire to lose air. If you guys want to take that out, that's completely up to you. Me personally, I feel like it's a little bit more of a sealant, so it makes sure that air doesn't come out. And this is just a easy and cheap way for a quick tire repair, because buying a tire isn't cheap. You guys can always get a used tire, but at the end of the day, normally when a tire goes bad or something happens to it, you typically have to change all the tires on the vehicle so that the tread stays the same. So this is just a quick, cheap, easy solution for you guys that may have had sidewall damage done to your vehicle or to your tires. So after that, once you empty out the entire green container or the entire bottle into the tire, you then fill up the tire with air. Then after that, you have to drive I believe it's like 2 miles. Yeah, so you have to drive about 2 miles. No, sorry, not 2 miles. 0.2, yeah, 0.2 miles. Okay, so you have to drive 0.2 miles so that the green slime goes around the entire wall of the inner part of the tire. So it goes around the whole thing and it seals everything up. So if there's any holes anywhere else or any of that. And I've also used this previously on another tire where a nail on the road punctured my tire, like where the tread is, and I just left the nail in there and I used the green slime, and you know, same thing with that. You know, I had it over a year and no issue whatsoever. So this works really well. And pretty much what I showed you for the rubber cement, what you're going to use that for if need be, is pretty much where they try to cut my tire over here. What you kind of do is you just use the rubber cement and you just kind of try to open it up as much as possible and put that in there, and just try to make sure that it's completely clean so you don't have like dirt and all that you're like sealing in there. So pretty much, like I said, I've had this issue for more than a year and a half and my tire's been completely fine. I have not run out of air out of the tire like I was doing when it first got punctured, and I didn't do the repair with the tire sealant and the rubber cement. So pretty much that is what worked for me. Hopefully it works for you guys. If you have any questions whatsoever, make sure to leave it in the comments below. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So that's just a quick tire repair for sidewall damage that has been done to your tires, okay? So remember, do this at your own risk, you know, just to be safe. But because like I said, every situation is different. So if you guys feel like it's not that severe, or like I said, there isn't bubbling where the damage has been done to the tire, then this is a alternative that you guys can try doing, so that you don't have to go out and buy a tire, or you know, you can kind of go a little bit longer before you have to go buy another tire. So thank you guys for watching. Again, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. All right guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.